So since it's Christmas, we have a lot of Pandoro and today we will make tiramisu with it. Here is our base with the ingredients. We have coffee, cocoa, Pandoro, and on the other side we have the egg yolks and the egg whites already separated with 2 halves of brown sugar. For the cream we used 4 eggs, 120 grams of brown sugar and 500 grams of mascarpone. All we have to do now is beat the whites and mix them together. Using this mixer, we are now mixing the 4 egg yolks with sugar to make a very sweet and fancy cream. Now we'll finish with the cream by sterilizing it on bain-marie. We'll have to heat it up to 60 degrees Celsius. The egg whites are ready. If you mix them enough, they won't fall over when you flip the bowl. I was really scared that they were gonna fall, but they didn't. So we are now going to add mascarpone to the already sterilized egg yolks and then we're gonna mix it with the egg whites. We are going to add a little bit at a time, then mix it and repeat this process. Now we'll mix them together with our spatula using circular movements and trying not to break all the bubbles. We soaked the Pandoro in coffee and our last step is to add the filling between layers of Pandoro. We made more portions using different sized cups. On top we will add some cocoa powder. I hope you'll enjoy it. Buon appetito!